Hello friends! In this video, I am going to review the top 5 best water rowing machines, just for you. Here I have tested 5 different best water rowing machines to see which one offers value for your money. If you are looking for a good product in terms of quality and price, then all of them are reasonable. These products are budget-friendly and offer the best of the best. Here is a summary of each product's usefulness, why you should buy it, and what to watch out for. I have compiled a list of these 5 best products based on my user experience to help you make a quick decision as a buyer. So, let's get started.
Product number 5. Garvey Home Machines, Capacity, Ergonomic Compatible. The Garvey Home Water Rowing Machine targets users who prioritize ergonomics and versatility along with a stable build. Designed to support a wide range of users, it offers a comfortable seat, adjustable footrests, and ergonomic handle design to reduce strain during long workouts. Its resistance system, often water-based for realistic rowing feel, mimics actual rowing dynamics closely, making it good for both endurance workouts and strength endurance routines. Its layout and build tend toward stability. The frame and footplate construction avoid wobble even under heavy strokes, while compatibility with a range of user heights and weights adds to its appeal for households with multiple users. For those who care about comfort, durability, and a realistic rowing experience, this rower offers solid all-around performance.
Product number 1. Sunny Health and Fitness Machine Monitor. The Sunny Health and Fitness Water Rowing Machine is a solid entry-level machine combining water resistance with additional resistance control, hydro plus magnetic, giving flexibility for different workout intensities. It features a long slide rail accommodating many body types, a water tank with 16 hydro blades for fluid, natural rowing, and textured non-slip foot pedals for stable footing even during vigorous sessions. A built-in LCD console displays key workout metrics like time, distance, calories, strokes, and more, giving you enough data to track progress without overwhelming complexity. Transport wheels and a device or tablet holder make it practical for home spaces, and you can tilt and roll it away when not in use, much easier than lifting. Overall, it's a versatile option for beginners to intermediate users, smart enough to grow with you, but affordable and compact enough for smaller home gyms.
Product number 2. Giroto Foldable Capacity Bluetooth MR280 Pro. The Giroto MR280 Pro water rowing machine stands out for its combination of premium construction and user-friendly features. Its frame is made from FSC-certified solid oak wood, giving a refined look and high durability, and it supports users up to 330 pounds to approximately 150 kilograms. The water resistance system offers smooth, natural rowing, and 6 adjustable water levels allow you to tailor resistance to your fitness level. A built-in tablet, phone holder, and Bluetooth-enabled monitor works with apps like KinoMap, make it easy to follow virtual rowing workouts and track your performance. Importantly, for city apartments or small spaces, it folds 180 degrees, and you don't need to drain water for storage, a huge plus for convenience. Many buyers note that despite being mostly pre-assembled, it's quick to get running. Product number 3. Yosuda Machines Dedicated Bluetooth Comfortable. The Yosuda water rowing machine is a budget-friendly rower that nonetheless offers many of the features found on pricier machines. Its water resistance produces a pleasant, real water feel, smooth strokes, and a soothing whoosh, while the sealed polycarbonate tank is leak-resistant. The frame, often aluminum or sturdy metal, supports heavier users, up to 350 pounds, and is built to resist rust, making it a durable choice even over years of use. An integrated performance monitor tracks time, distance, strokes, and calories, and the machine is Bluetooth compatible for those who want to use fitness apps or stream guided workouts. For many users, the silent water resistance plus comfortable seat and steady rail make it an excellent value proposition.
Product number 4. Foldable Adjustable Bluetooth Comfortable Immersive.
If you prize space-saving design without compromising rowing quality, the foldable, adjustable, Bluetooth, comfortable rowing machine offers a compelling balance. This rower includes adjustable resistance, often magnetic or hybrid water-magnetic, Bluetooth connectivity, and an ergonomic seat for long sessions. Its foldable frame and transport wheels make it practical for apartments or small home gyms, and the adjustable footrests help accommodate different users. The Bluetooth capability allows you to sync workouts with apps, track performance, and possibly use guided or scenic rowing sessions for motivation. For those who want a rowing machine that's easy to store yet delivers a reasonably smooth rowing motion, this model hits a nice sweet spot of portability, adjustability, and comfort.